In this video, we're going to take a look at another subtraction word problem. So it's important to do a lot of these because the more you get used to reading them and understanding what they're saying, the easier it is to actually do the problem. So in this problem it says, let's read it. 6 of the pairs of shoes in a shoe store are brown. There are 13 shoes in the store in total. How many of the pairs of shoes are not brown? Write a subtraction sentence that fits the story. So you need to start off with the total number of shoes. Okay, so we know that the total number of shoes is 13. And then we know that 6 of those pairs of shoes are brown. So let me just use brown here just for fun. These are the 6 that are brown. So we would have to take them away from the 13 to find out how many are not brown, right? So let's subtract them. So this is actually the subtraction sentence that fits this story. There's 13 shoes in total. 6 are brown. If we take away the 6 brown, then we'll be left over with the ones that are not brown. So to easily do this, you could take a look at a number line and count backwards. You could just do it in your head if you're able to do it easily in your head. But we'll use the number line for this time. So if we start at 13, we go back 6, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the number of shoes that are left over is 7. So we know that the number of shoes that are not brown is 7. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away. Just rewind the video and watch this again till it makes sense.